Okay, so here we are again in. Welcome back, guys. Jigo over here, and welcome to Unbox Party. And today we have a new product with us, who a friend of ours ordered online because we don't have anything to unbox, so he asked us to unbox it because we're jobless. So this is something which they call the crane. I don't even know the proper name. And okay, let's start unbox it with this study over here. Okay, I don't even need this.
This kena donor tu bukan posting.
This box is huge. Ah.
Tembok dulu lah. Aku dia lagi tu.
Kaya tu kan. Yes. Oh. An envelope. Okay. We got a letter. Tax invoice. Okay. Keep it aside. Okay, this is a pamphlet showing the other products from Puja Electronics. Okay, so this is a crane 2 from, how do you pronounce this? Zhiyun. Zhiyun. Something like that. What? Okay, that one. My phone is ringing, so we got. I thought this is a remote, but it's just a bell.
Kan phone on the unbox. Berkir, on the unbox.
Oi ma, saya nombor jumlah pun carry. Okay, look at this. Oh, what's that? So before we unbox that, let's check this part. So it has real-time follow focus control in blah 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 OLED display, quick control, 3.2 accessories included, charger, 3 batteries, I don't know what's this, a tripod, a USB, a Canon Mini, a Canon Micro, a Lumix something, Sony Multi. Okay, move with your focus. We got a disc over here so that you can, install the software and stuff. Oh no, it's a disc, it's another notebook. I don't know what's this. User guide. We don't need that. We are pros. So just look at this box. It looks like a Pink Panther suit. Just look at it. And it has a rubber thingy over here. This handle over here. The bags looks like a backside only. Let's open it now. Oh, my hair is a mess. Ooh, look at this thing. So we got 3 batteries, king size, 1 charger, these 2 packets of
Of you.
Of something. So this is a stand. We'll open it later. And this. Oh wait. I see one more box over here. What is this? So these are those Canon Mini, Canon Micros kind of stuff. I don't know. This is a cable. Another cable. Ooh, so many cable. One more cable and one more cable. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables. Take notes. So this is the main crane. You see, it's like, it's a gimbal. You see, so you put the camera over here. Yeah. yeah, over here like that. So you mount the camera over here and you can move around with much more stability than your hands. Got it, people? So you have to put batteries from somewhere. I don't know, I have to check it. So this is so you see, this is the power button. Focus, focus. Okay, the power button, the joystick, I think. Oh no, yeah, this might be the joystick. This is the mode, so you can change the mode. These two are for something. Or the USB ports right over here. And this is a steering wheel or a gear lever, I don't know. A focus puller, yeah, a focus puller. Thank you for that. Let's not switch it on for now because we don't know how to work it yet. So we have to do some more research on that, and maybe in the next video we can show you how to operate this thing. So just for now, just take a look at this. This is where you put the camera. Oh, I've already said that. This is the tripod thing.
Until the next video.
Okay. I don't know how to open it for now.
I'm not gonna play the next video.
Okay, so
Wait.
okay, guys.
Taking so long.
We're sorry because we don't have any products to unbox, so we didn't get to make a new video for you guys. So hopefully now we'll get some new products, new stuff to unbox on a regular basis. So people who have something to unbox and you know you want to show it to the world what you bought, so you can call us in the comment section. And only people from Shillong, from outside, we don't know how to contact you guys, so we're sorry for that. So again, this is Jigu from Unbox Parody. Until next time, ta-da!